Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are here in Mola di Bari today with Rosanna from Casa Mola, and she's showing us this beautiful palazzina here, very close to the piazza and very close to our favorite focaccia shop. It's on a little via that is sort of a dead end, which is nice because it's super quiet. There's a little bit of noise because they're doing some renovation work, which is all to the good, but it's a cute little via with a beautiful place. We're going to go take a look. Okay, we're here on the ground floor, and as you can see, there's been some beautiful renovation work done. It's very, very nice. What I would do with this is I would make it basically a kitchen right here and have your eating area on the ground floor because it's easy to bring in your groceries and everything else. And it's like a little cantina, which I really like. And in addition, you can put a little living area back here. There's a nice little service bathroom here. Now, I would swap out the fixtures, but the tile is new in there. And you put on a new door and maybe update it a little bit with some nice stuff in there. It could be a really nice little bathroom. But this is a nice space for relaxing, for eating, for entertaining, for all kinds of things. Okay, this is the front of the main part of the house. As you can see, it has a beautiful arch here that I just love. We're going to go upstairs and take a look. Okay, we're up on the first floor, and you see this is a really beautiful space here. They left this space here open where the stairs are. You have a lot of space for a lovely sitting area and entertaining area here. And here you have a really cute space for your kitchen. We were just at Yoga Valley Kitchens yesterday, choosing our kitchens. What they did with the space that we had was absolutely unbelievable. And I think they could take this space, make it super functional and super pretty. Now, if you notice, the tiles here have been redone. It's very nice. You've got a beautiful balcony out front that looks out onto a super quiet via. And then you have a big bathroom with a shower down here as well. Another thing I love about this place, central heating, guys. Okay, and here we are on the second level. It's also very bright, very light, all new tile, and the paint job has been totally redone. Now, when they paint here, it's not just painting, they're fixing the plaster. So you would be saving a lot of money because it could cost a good, what, 6,000 euros to do a house this size if you fixed all the plaster and the painting. So that's a good thing to factor in. Now, it also comes with a full service bathroom. Okay, we're up at the top level here, and it's really cute. I love how they left it all open. You know, many times these staircases are all closed in, and they're tight, and they don't have a lot of light, and it gives a feeling of tightness to the house, but this one is all open, and they topped it off with this beautiful travertine tile, which is gorgeous. Now, this could be a beautiful little kitchen up here because you have a terrace, and the terrace is lovely. Pete and I were out on our terrace last night that just got redone. And I'm telling you, the breezes, you can smell the sea a little bit. It's absolutely beautiful being out on your terrace eating dinner in the evening. Okay, and to top it all off, you have this beautiful little terrace up here, just big enough for a table and maybe a couple of chairs that you can actually relax in when you're not having dinner. What I love about it is you can look over and you can see all of the life on that cute, cute via down below. And you're literally minutes from the piazza on foot. It's so close to everything. And like I said, our favorite focaccia store is right around the corner. And of course, you have the gelato shop in the piazza, which we love. You're going to love it here.